How to check Chrome history after deleted. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just delete the browsing data and delete all your Chrome browsing history. Now what you can simply do is, what happens over here is, even if you have deleted all the Chrome browser search history, Google account may be separately saving your search history. So what you can actually do is, you can simply go to the Google application on our device and then simply tap on our profile at the top right corner and tap on manage your Google account. As you tap on manage your Google account, it will take us to a new page where you'll be able to see the options over here. So all you need to do is tap on the option of data and privacy that will pop up. So we can simply tap on data and privacy, and as you do that, you can simply scroll and here you can find the option of web and app activity, which is toggled on. So simply tap on it, and as you tap on web and app activity, you'll get different options for different applications. So we're going to tap on the Chrome over here, and as you do that, you'll be able to find all the search history over here still there. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.